In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add everyone to a channel in Slack. If you're organizing a company-wide announcement, kicking off an all-hands discussion, or centralizing updates in one place, adding your entire workspace to a single channel can save a lot of time and prevent people from missing important messages. First, open the specific channel where you want everyone to join. Take a moment to confirm it's the right space for your audience and content, especially if the channel name and description will set the tone for future updates. Also, be aware that your ability to add everyone may depend on your role and your organization's settings. Some workspaces restrict mass adding to certain roles to keep things tidy and compliant. Now, look to the top right of the channel header. You'll see the member count, typically displayed as a number next to a small people icon. Click that member count. This opens the channel's Member Details panel, where you can see who's already in the channel and access options to invite more people. In that panel, click Add People. This is your main control for bringing others into the channel. You'll be presented with choices to add individuals or groups, but for this task, you're going to use the option that brings everyone in at once. Choose the option to add all members of the workspace. Slack will usually show a confirmation so you can review how many people are about to be added. Double-check that you're in the correct channel, then confirm. The add will process, and depending on the size of your workspace, it may take a moment. Once complete, everyone currently in your workspace will be part of that channel and will see it in their sidebar. A few helpful notes as you wrap up. This option adds all current members. It doesn't automatically include people who join the workspace in the future. If new teammates come on board later, you may need to repeat the process. If you don't see the option to add all members, your workspace policies or the channel's privacy settings might limit it, so check with an admin. And because a large ad can generate a lot of notifications, consider posting a brief welcome message with context, guidelines, and what to expect next. That's all it takes. Open the channel, click the member count, select Add People, and choose to add all members of the workspace. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Slack.